this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today I am drinking French vanilla coffee again out of this beautiful plaid cup. Isn't it cute? I just love this little cup. So good. Well, today's video, I just wanted to show you some little baby, little headbands and maybe a couple little hats that I've been working on for my little grandbaby, Charlie May. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So some of these are done with a 3-weight and some are done with a 4, but the 4-weight is like a thin 4-weight. So kind of balances out there. Okay, I made this cute little lavender one. And this is actually, if you would like to make some of these for a preemie baby, or you can make them for a bigger baby, you just add more rows. I don't know how many, because I made these for a preemie, so I don't have a bigger baby head to try them on. But this is my pattern that I have on, I think it's just Etsy. I don't know. I have to look, see if there's a tutorial, but I know it's on Etsy. But it's the headband that I have. And so I based it off that. And so it is 11, you chain 11, and then there's 10 single crochets, and you work in the back loop and all that kind of good stuff. And there's like 40 rows. And like I said, I used I don't know if I told you this. I used a G hook for this whole project for all of these. Just a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. So the flower is off my 18-inch doll maxi dress. That's where I got the flower from. So yeah, so there's a lavender one. And let me show you the yarn for that. All right, there's the yarn. So the color on this one is Periwinkle. These were on sale at Joann's. The big twists were on sale for $2.99. Really good deal, isn't it? All right, so my next one is this cute little cream, and I used big twist for it as well. And the color is Coconut. She needs a cream one, right? And you guys know I was really looking forward to using this color. Well, looky there. I just love it. And the color is Rose. Just love this color. Oh my gosh. And I just single crocheted around the edges. So if you're interested in making one of these, and I made one like this. So I have several more I still want to make. I'm not sure if she wants hats or headbands. I'll have to contact her. This is off of one of my doll patterns, the hats. All I did is go 2 extra rows on that, and the flower is off one of my doll patterns as well. I just can't remember exactly which one. And for that one, I used the kind feather. And this is like what I'm talking about. It's a 4-weight, but it's like a thin 4-weight. And it is super duper soft. I love this yarn right here. All right, so the next one, or the last one we have here, is I did the turban hat, but I added a little bow on it. And I can't remember how many I chained across, maybe 15 and maybe 10 rows. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so I did like 10 rows, and then I just cinched it and put it on the front of the hat. That's all I did with that. So hopefully this will fit her, and hopefully all this stuff will fit her. Maybe, I think I'll be able to give it to my daughter either today or tomorrow. Okay, and I almost forgot these. I made some little slippers to go with these, some little booties for her. And this is, I do have a pattern for these little slippers. It's called the Child and Doll Slipper, or maybe 18-inch doll and child slippers. But anyway, they go up to, I think, a child size 4. But anyway, and so if you want a child and a baby. And so this actually fits the doll, 18-inch doll. But I wanted mine just a little bit bigger, and so I used a G hook on this as well. Instead of the size that I have in the pattern, just to make mine just a tad bit, bigger, to get on a real person's foot. Okay, and I have one more. I do plan on making little matching booties. I just want to make sure that they fit her before I go, because I want to make sure the length is right. I'm pretty sure all this is going to be just fine. I just need to have her to measure her foot before I proceed. Now these, I have this is the way the pattern actually is, I think. And so I had that little ruffle look on it front. But I did it with this because this has the ruffle look. So I put the ruffle with the ruffle. So I can't wait to see these on her. And I will make sure that my daughter gets pictures to show you guys how they look on her. Okay, guys, I hope you're still working on the hashtag Valentine's CAL, where we're making baskets. I will leave the link below for the basket tutorial. And I'm going to go on Facebook today because some of you have requested the tutorial for that. So I will put that on Facebook today. So be sure and look for that. But my sister Tanya, I'm going to see if I can throw a couple pictures of her in the store at Joann's and of my grandbaby of us yarn shopping for this yarn. But this yarn, I just wanted you to know, is sponsored by my sister Tanya. So she bought now all those beautiful colors for you guys. So whoever wins this by the random picker for the photos that are sent in either through email or Facebook group page, I will include those. I will put those on like a spinning wheel and it will pick a winner. And so, and if you live outside of the United States, you will get a gift card, digital gift card, so that I'm not having to ship anything. All right, so the other thing is, oh, and here's my sister Tanya's basket. Isn't it pretty? That's her Valentine basket. I haven't even made mine yet, but I'm going to make mine this weekend. But I have like a llama composition book. Isn't that cute? And this vibe check, positivity only, for you to keep hooks, pencils, or whatever you want in there. And of course, you know, I have to do the pencil because I use so many pencils. I figured you guys probably do too. But there's Valentine pencils. There's some Valentine gnome socks. How cute. And a G 4.0 Susan Bates millimeter crochet hook. Pretty nice. And there should be some stitch markers in here somewhere. Oh, here they are. And these are actually like from Hobbii stitch markers. These little Valentine. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in these little stitch markers. Oh, and the yarn, Hobbii yarn. I will leave the link for that yarn too, so that you'll know right where to go to get that yarn. And Tanya does plan on having some hearts. So here are some of her hearts. She's got the red, white, and pink hearts here. Aren't they pretty? And we were sort of thinking about maybe having ours dangling somehow. And so just stay tuned for that part. But anyway, if you'd like to join this crochet along / giveaway, it ends February the 14th. I know you guys will be getting the stuff after February, but yarn is yarn, right? Pencils are pencils, socks are socks. You don't have to wear it on that day. You can enjoy the stuff all year long. Okay, yeah, just post your picture of your Valentine basket. It has to be red, white, pink, and gray. Any of those 4 color combinations, either together or just one of those colors, 2 of those colors, however you want to do it. Just make it fun. It's your basket. And just post it and put that hashtag Valentine's CAL. Well, guys, let's go ahead and do our 300, no, not that anymore. I told you guys. Let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know book. Call me. Call to me, and I will answer you, and I will tell you great and mighty things which you do not know. Jeremiah 33:3. Have you ever used caller ID to make sure that you don't answer phone calls that you don't want to? Maybe you haven't, but we all know the feeling of not wanting to talk to someone. Maybe we're concerned about being uncomfortable. We don't know what to say, or we just don't want to have to say no to whatever is asked of us. Let's not make that same assumption about God's response when He hears us call out to Him. God Himself asks us to call on Him, and He tells us that He will answer. God knows us, heart, mind, and soul. He is never going to be stuck without a response. He desires communication with us. He wants us to know so much about Him that we begin to understand great and mighty things that we didn't know before. Give Him a call today. Hello, Lord Jesus. Thank you that you want to listen to me. I have a lot of things to talk to you about. I would love some answers too. Would you reveal something of yourself to me today? I know that there are many great and wonderful things that I don't know yet, and I am ready to listen. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this video. I look forward to seeing you guys Monday, and I hope y'all have a great weekend. Get a lot of crochet work in, get a lot of family time in, and just live life and have fun. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.